Chapter 7: Health and Longevity, AI and Medicine. How AI is revolutionizing healthcare, preventative medicine, and personalized wellness. From guesswork to precision, AI's role in health and longevity. Remember when healthcare was basically just going to the doctor only when you were at death's doorstep, using WebMD and convincing yourself that a headache meant you had 6 months to live, watching our parents rely on old school remedies? Just put some Vicks on it or drink ginger ale, you'll be fine. Yeah, times have changed. And while Gen X has been pretty good about embracing modern medicine, let's be honest, we're not getting any younger. Our knees creak like old floorboards, our metabolism is on strike, and let's not even talk about our backs. The good news: AI is stepping in to make healthcare smarter, more personalized, and more effective than ever. This isn't just about fancy hospital robots or medical breakthroughs we'll never use. This is about practical, real world AI tools that can help us live longer, feel better, and actually keep up with our kids or grandkids. Let's break down how AI is transforming medicine, healthcare, and longevity, and why Gen X should be paying attention. AI in healthcare, how it's changing the game. For decades, healthcare has been reactive. We go to the doctor when something is wrong, get diagnosed, and hope for the best. AI is flipping that model upside down. Instead of waiting until we're sick, AI is helping predict, prevent, and personalize healthcare in ways we've never seen before. Let's look at three real world examples of how AI is already revolutionizing health and longevity. 1. AI powered early disease detection. Real world examples include Google's DeepMind and IBM's Watson Health. What it does: AI powered medical platforms can analyze X rays, MRIs, and scans with higher accuracy than human doctors. It detects diseases like cancer, heart conditions, and neurological disorders earlier than ever before. AI can identify warning signs in routine blood work before symptoms even appear. Why it's a game changer. In the past, disease diagnosis was slow, expensive, and often inaccurate. Misdiagnoses were common, getting test results took weeks. By the time some diseases were found, it was too late for early treatment. Now, AI is catching health issues years earlier. Doctors using AI assisted diagnostics are detecting breast cancer up to 5 years earlier than traditional mammograms. AI is identifying early stage Alzheimer's with 95% accuracy, giving patients a better chance of treatment before cognitive decline. For Gen Xers who want to live longer and healthier, AI is literally saving lives. 2. AI driven personalized medicine. Real world examples: Tempus AI and IBM's Watson for oncology. What it does: AI analyzes DNA, lifestyle, and medical history to create personalized treatment plans. It finds the best medication and therapies based on your genetics and biology. It helps doctors tailor treatments so you don't waste time on ineffective medications. Why it's a game changer? Traditional medicine has always been one size fits all, but that doesn't work for everyone. Some medications work for some people and do nothing for others. Cancer treatments can be hit or miss because doctors are guessing what will work. Some people are genetically more likely to develop certain diseases, but until now, there was no way to act on that information. Now, AI can analyze your DNA and predict which drugs will work best for your body, can identify hidden genetic risks so you can take preventative action years in advance, optimize medications for chronic illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, and autoimmune disorders. For Gen Xers starting to deal with more health concerns, AI driven medicine really is a revolution. 3. AI for everyday health, fitness, nutrition, and longevity. Real world examples are Whoop, Lumen, and Fitbit's AI features. What it does: AI powered wearable tech tracks sleep, stress, heart rate, and metabolism in real time. AI driven nutrition tools create custom meal plans based on your body's needs. AI driven fitness apps personalize workouts based on your energy levels, weight, and fitness goals. Why it's a game changer? Well, let's be honest. Staying fit was easier in our 20s. We could eat a whole pizza and not feel it the next day. Exercise was just part of life: skateboarding, playing sports, running after concerts. Our bodies bounce back from everything. Now, one bad meal can wreck our whole week. Our energy levels fluctuate for no reason. Figuring out how to stay fit feels way harder than it used to. AI is solving that problem. The Whoop band tracks strain, recovery, and sleep to let you know when to push harder or take a break. Lumen analyzes your metabolism in real time, telling you what foods to eat for energy or weight loss. AI powered meal planners take the guesswork out of nutrition so you don't waste time guessing what's healthy. For Gen Xers who want to stay active, strong, and sharp, AI driven fitness and nutrition tools are a cheat code for longevity. The future of AI in health and longevity. If you think AI in healthcare is impressive now, just wait. The next 5 to 10 years are going to be even bigger, and here's what's coming. 1. AI powered virtual doctors for faster, cheaper healthcare. AI chatbots like Google's MedPalm will diagnose basic illnesses instantly. Instead of waiting weeks for an appointment, AI will provide virtual consultations instantly. 2. AI driven anti aging and longevity research. AI is already mapping the aging process at a cellular level. In the near future, AI driven longevity therapies could slow down aging and extend lifespans by decades. 3. Fully powered AI smart homes for health optimization. AI will analyze sleep patterns, air quality, and stress levels, then automatically adjust lighting, temperature, and noise levels for optimal health. Smart fridges will suggest healthier meals based on your nutrition goals. Final thoughts: Gen X, it's time to use AI to our advantage. The biggest health mistake Gen X can make: ignoring AI's potential. We don't have to memorize complex nutrition facts, rely on outdated medical advice, or manually track fitness progress. AI can do it all for us. And if AI can help us live longer, stay healthier, and age gracefully, why wouldn't we use it? So let's embrace AI as a health tool, stay one step ahead of aging, and gives ourselves the best shot at longevity. Because if AI can help us feel like we're 30 again, well, I'm all in. Summary: AI for health and longevity. AI detects diseases early. AI personalizes medicine based on DNA. AI optimizes fitness and nutrition. The future of AI in health will include anti aging, virtual doctors, and smart homes for wellness. The bottom line: AI is the best personal trainer, doctor, and nutritionist we've never had. Now, if only we could stop it from having cravings for late night pizza.